How to connect OKX Wallet to Avacoin. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Telegram app and sign into your account. Now go ahead and search for Avacoin and open Avacoin on your device by clicking on the play button and clicking on the start button. And this will pop up a browser where you can access Avacoin. So in here, you can go ahead and click on Start Ava under Avacoin. Since what you want to use is the Avacoin application, you can learn to earn staking and marketplace. Go ahead and click on the Start Ava button, and in here you'll be able to find your homepage. Now go ahead and click on the wallet icon, and in here go ahead and click on Connect Wallet to be able to view all of the available wallets where you can connect your Avacoin account. Now go ahead and click on View All Wallets. Now in here go ahead and click on OKX Wallet, and this will redirect you into a new browser where you can sign up for an account or sign into your account. You can also get redirected to the OKX app if you have it on your device. Now go ahead and sign in to your account or sign up for an account to be able to connect your Avacoin to your OKX wallet. You'll need to authorize the connection between the two applications on your device.